going on YouTube? This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, giving you guys another official video. All right guys, this video is going to be on the virtual cockpit, and on this video I'm going to just kind of show you guys how the RPMs work, how the gears work when you're driving. You know, when you're hitting those RPMs, you get a nice cool effect depending on what dash you have or what dash you want. So I know I did the video just showing it to you, but I just want to show it in action. And also for the individuals that are interested in it, I have your emails locked in. Once I start putting out the pre-orders and giving you guys the prices and the details, we'll be ready to rock and roll. But yeah, I wanted to show you it in action so you can know what you're getting into and know what I can present to you. So I'm going to just kind of do a couple of runs. It's just going to be just runs, not me talking, and just showing you how the gears react when you're shifting, or when you're dropping your RPMs, raising your RPM, or when you're putting boost to it. So yeah, without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, so I have a weird issue on my car. I don't know how many people have this issue, but as you can see right here, this is my RPM. My miles per hour and my boost is going to be right here. So if you look right here, that's going to be my miles per hour. What I'm going to essentially do is put this miles per hour right over here with RPM is just for me, only because I have this boost gauge blocking away, and I didn't think about this boost gauge when I was putting this dash on. So yeah, just FYI, if you guys are curious about the miles per hour, it's right over here.